Welcome! In front of me I've got Jaecoo 5. In this video I'll show you all comfort features installed in this car. In this video we'll talk about seats, climate control, additional features like navigation, wireless Android Auto, charging of your smartphone, seat heating, seat ventilation if it is equipped, electric seat adjustment and more. Follow me to learn how to manage your Jaecoo 5. Let's start with the outside of the car. Jaecoo 5 is a city SUV. It has the build and size of Range Rover Evoque. So this is not the biggest car available, but it's still big. In case of these big cars, the maintenance and comfort of driving is crucial. Thanks to key fob, we can remotely open and close the windows. In some trims, even sunroof. And also we can open and close tailgate, again remotely. Once we are at tailgate, let's take a look at it. Trunk in this car has around 300 liters of capacity. That's not the biggest trunk available on the market, but still it can fit a lot of luggage, groceries, etc. Under the trunk we can find special compartment for the spare tire if it's available, or in case you've got the trim without spare tire, right here you will find the compressor and sealant for your wheels. Of course, the tailgate is electrically managed. Before we enter the car, I will show you one cool trick. Jaecoo 5 is equipped with the easy access feature, thanks to which, when you walk away, the car will automatically lock the doors. When you approach the car, it will automatically unlock the doors. Now, take a look at the driver's doors. Right here we can find electric adjustment for side rearview mirrors and electric folding. Then, seats in this car are electrically also adjusted. Thanks to this panel you can change distance from the steering wheel and height and fold. The central part of the Jaecoo 5 is the big screen. Right here you've got panel thanks to which you can manage the whole car. Not only the car settings, but also comfort settings like ambient light, Bluetooth, sound settings, display settings, system and device manager. As you can see, the car is equipped with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto that are wireless. In quick control, we can quickly lock doors, windows, open the tailgate and adjust the sunroof. Of course, the sunroof can be also adjusted manually. Sunroof in base trim can't be opened. Okay. Jaecoo 5 has 3 driving modes: Eco, Normal and Sport. Eco is recommended for the economical drive when you care about environment and the fuel consumption. Normal mode is recommended for normal driving like in the city or motorway. Sport mode is recommended only for truck. It increases the fuel consumption and wear of the car. Climate control panel is placed on the screen display as well. There are no dials and manual buttons you can use to manage it. So to enter it, we have to press fan button here. Thanks to the climate control panel, we can enable steering wheel heating, seat ventilation, only for front seats. In the settings, we've got access to automatic cabin air cleaning, automatic cabin ventilation. Of course, the car has AC. Let's go back to ambient lighting. Right here, we can change ambient lighting color, we can link it to drive mode or to music rhythm. Also, we can change brightness level. Last but not least, Jaecoo 5 is equipped with wireless charger for your smartphone. It is located right here in the center. On the steering wheel, we can find panel thanks to which we can activate steering assistant, cruise control and speed limiter, which are also the cool comfort factor in this car. As you can see, Jaecoo 5 is loaded with comfort features. This car has basically everything you can think of. In comparison to competitors, Jaecoo 5 is a great deal on the current market. For the price of around $40,000 for base trim, you've got everything other companies offer you in the highest trim for more than $60,000. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.